Well guys, I think things are right, so today it's kind of like that way. Okay, thanks. This is what don't want to do. Let's take the set there. Okay, but I got this credit tray. A tray. Like the credit tray. So like okay. So this is where the crate the side, so this is like well we'll get the legs. The fit that they attack like that thing. Like you can have like say it take say it's a day. If I say that's a tank, so if they tell you the link, if they tell you the tank, just like the tanks. And I was like a dancing like oh so fuck that day. Thanks. I was at that say that the going thanks. But because so right, looks like I got that okay. I think so like that was like Klark Technik. Next. So like that thing. Yeah, okay. So this is like that tank. If you get probably like to check that tanks, if we do that tanks. That's thing. But this is a good thing for like tank, so they like CloudLifter specs. But I also say that I'm sorry so the educated the tanks the set that code. Okay. Thanks, okay. That's like something. Excited, that's it, next. But let's take the card drinks and go. This is that day. And so I got like I think for that day that train basically the high going for the air tanks. So I think had a flashlight on a gate that you can that's entry and then that's the that things. That's insane. But my guys, that's thanks. I hope you guys like that. You guys ain't. Don't start to try this day, right? Some guys say. Okay, let's see that. Stupid thing. Okay. thanks. But anyways, here it goes. I don't know what I'm saying. Acting lyrics. Put some feelings like green. But there goes, there's something that it thanks for the thing. Because of the dairy, things are straight. The rank, the type, the data thing, the rank, so the data type, and can't let the text away. I know that get the side, that's alright. If that dizzy. So kind of can't let the text thanks, alright, to the text. I really like that translate the text and see what it says. I think the game is clearly, and so guys, alright, next video. Okay, so this is a long time. I think this like the phone. This is the long PodMic. So you can find the last things with thanks, and so I can think this guy right. It's holding hands all right, and that's the thing. That's so they're wrong. That's like that guys as links. So I can put it down and what? And no tagging that's fine. That's good. Good thing. I can that's like for everything at the that's what they can and I get I'm using I got that as I say. But other than that, it's okay. But there's thing those I really like trying to find those things a great game because like do right and set the next. A lot of things that at this point I think it's like and don't like the music I kinda like to start the cadence at that thing I point I get this thing. I can't show it to but I kinda like thinks I was like I think there you go. I don't know what I think. Let's see that first intake. Okay, where's it going? I can kind of get like 3/8. That takes seconds. Okay, so the cousin stone. I can suck that. This game is creating. Well, I had a 5 feet, 4 feet, that train. Then, I think this is 3 feet, that feet, for the character. Sorry about that. I can fix occasionally. But anyway, it sounds good. I think I can't think there's any string. I think it's gonna be here's a thing other or they had to like Yeah, constant standard electric. Okay. Two hats. Alright. That's right. Okay. I guess gonna go and drink. I guess gonna go and drink soup. Is that drinks the drinks? Okay. 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 But my guys. I think that's that's the as well. But thanks for the Lucas Payday. But like that like look at it look at the get the restaurant the credit tray. Then that thing actually that thing that's right. Look at that thanks. That's right, and that's right. It's done. But I think guys are Danny. That's good. Try to like try to create as right and that day and day next to it. Don't mix anything silly. That's good I think.